Alright, welcome back. Supposed to have 2 and 2. That's a spare, baby. That ain't the one. That's a spare. That ain't one of the regular ones. We're supposed to have front on white and red. Okay, so that's the back wheel. That's the back wheel. Front. Yes, so that's the front. So this was one that's the black with the brush, and the other one is black with the red. Same wheel, but black with the brush and black with the red. So the red one will go on the front driver, and this one will go on the passenger. But I'm waiting on the red one to come, so can't even get these fucking wheels installed today. But big Jeep life. Let's get over here and get this official freezing can start. Oh, shit. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Oh, still waiting on my dually kit to come in. So we waiting on. Where's the dually kit? Yes, sir. And then everything. These will be coming off. Taking the tubes off, and we're gonna switch up and go throw the dubs on for the winter, and kind of go from there. Because these babies, I mean, we got a lot of bread in these tires, so we ain't gonna rock these through the winter. We're going with some regular joints. We go with the regular joints and go from there. Oh, we got all that custom interior in here, so we got all of the. We got the soundproof deadener kit. We have pretty much all of the carbon fiber. I mean, a lot of it hasn't came yet. I wasn't gonna show it until it was done, but I guess I'll show some of it. Since we got it, I'll show some of it. There it is. It's all custom, you know. It ain't too shabby. I think it's dope. So, but there's like 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's probably 20 more pieces coming, but you can kind of see what the thing. Oh, yeah, you got the speaker point, speaker joints, the detail even in here. These, even carbon. I mean, spare no expense with this shit. I mean, if you go do it right. But yeah, we got a bunch of new pieces come, even some more pieces here, so shut that off. But yeah, we even got more pieces coming here, so yeah, essentially we just honestly we're just waiting on pieces to come, finish the install up, custom carpet and stuff. Everybody know, always exclusives. But we actually got new seats coming, but I don't think we'll be getting those new seats until beginning of the year, just because of all of the supply and demand issues and stuff with shipping and stuff. So, but I mean, we got some really dope, racing joints, and they so nice. I can't wait for those. I'm excited for those. Shout out to all my sponsors. Carsponsors.com, number one. Extreme Jeep out of Kentucky. They have actually been lacing me with a lot of parts. Shout out to Fuel. Shout out to LRG. That's a whole nother thing. I'll let you know about that. Shout out to it's just too many people to list. There's so many. Shout out to Oracle. Shout out to XS GDA1. Shout out to, it's just so many people to shout out, to be honest. And if I missed you, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get you in the next video, no problem. I'll get a list together. But essentially, yeah, that's essentially what's going on with the Jeep and stuff. Today we actually are supposed to go to the shop because the new wheels are at the shop, and then from there the we're supposed to get them installed and stuff, and then they're gonna put those wheels on and stuff, take these off. I just gotta find somewhere to do the storage and stuff on those. But otherwise we should be good. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, it's a lot of stuff coming. It's a lot of interior stuff coming for this thing. I mean, honestly, too much stuff to list. There's a lot of interior pieces. I got 2 additional grills. We got the light kit for underneath. We got the Rock LED kit. Shout out to Rock Lights. We haven't got the new headlights and stuff yet because I'm still waiting on the bumper and the crash bars and stuff. And even when those things get here, along with my step bar is already here, but when those other things get here, they're all going to get powder coated red. So that'll be done, and then we'll just be waiting on the wrap stuff. But like I said, a lot of that stuff is getting pushed to the beginning of the year because we're not going to piece and put a lot of this exterior stuff together. We're in Ohio, it's cold. We have to take the Jeep somewhere essentially where it would be like, it'd have to really be indoor, 70 degrees, and then let the Jeep, heat up, and then put the wrap on, and secure everything. And then after that, get everything sealed. It's just like something, it's the stuff you really don't do. And that's the stuff you really don't do in the wintertime when you're in the Midwest. So with that being said, we'll just kind of let it be for now. But for people, that's the update with the Jeep. Everything's coming along. It's definitely going to be one of a kind. Anybody that know me, you already know how I do it. It's going to be one of a kind. 70. This is a whole different beast. It's not a lot of plans for this. I got some stuff coming forward, some pieces and stuff. Still haven't figured out what I want to do as far as the wheels and stuff yet, but most likely be doing something like a brush wheel, probably going with something with a red and a white accent, like a 2-tone accent. But definitely it'll be something black with a red and a brush accent, and it's a couple more pieces. It's some trim pieces. There's this piece up here for the top. We gotta get that wrap piece up here to connect these two. We got a little hiccup right here. I gotta get this repaired. Yes, I know it's a whole nother thing. And other than that, it's baby perfect. Besides getting detailed in the inside, it is fucking flawless. So, and 101, it's the first fucking saying this shit out loud. It's the first fucking 23 in the county. It ain't another one out here. The other ones are 22s. I already looked it up. It's the first 23 G70 out here. I'm the first one with this motherfucker. So when you see people showing up, popping up with these motherfuckers next year, no, me and my wife had this shit first. That's just how it is. So with that being said, I'm out. I just want to check in with everybody, let y'all know I'm doing okay. Health is what it is. I don't really too much try to stress about that shit no more. I can't control it. You know, I got something that God control. All I do is go through the motions, put my best foot forward on a daily basis. And like I said, anybody that know me, I don't do this for the views. I don't do this for the likes or any of that shit. I do this for my kids. This is all future information, just to let you know what I was doing in my life, at, you know, on certain days and stuff. This is just small Jeep content and stuff. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications, and enjoy Maurice's motivational moments. But again, I thank you for tuning in, and we'll check back. Y'all be safe. Peace.